Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I had made this amazing chana masala recipe. You'll find the link on top somewhere here. It turned out amazing, but for some reason I thought that I should be having some side dish. So I just checked in my fridge, there was bhindi. So I just thought I'll make something with bhindi. It's a very quick and easy recipe. So let's get started. Okay, so here I've just washed this bhindi, okay, and now we'll start with the cutting. Alright, so I've chopped all the bhindis and we'll keep this aside and let's quickly prepare the masala. So if you're someone who wants to cook, okay, and who wants to learn cooking, these are the basic masala that you need to have. It's a must-have ingredient in your kitchen. So using this basic masala, I'll be preparing the mixture. So first I'll be taking around half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Okay, now I will just mix it. Okay, yeah, and one more thing, I'll be adding amchur powder as well. So this is around half teaspoon, less than a half teaspoon. And now let's just mix it. Okay, if you want it spicy, you can just increase the red chili powder. This is the Kashmiri chili powder that I'm using, but if you want, you can use the spicy one, the EMIRATES or whichever spicy chili powder you want. That's it, the masala is ready. Now we will start stuffing it. And one thing you have to be mindful about when you're stuffing the masala, when you open this bhindi, okay, just check if there are any worms inside, okay. So I've checked all the bhindi, there are no worms, okay, but even if I find it, okay, just remove that bhindi out. Okay, so now I'll start stuffing it. That's it. So I've stuffed all the bhindi here and we'll start with the cooking process. So in a pan, I'll be heating around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Just swirl it. Okay, so once the pan is heated well, I'll be adding in garlic cloves. So this is 3 garlic cloves that I've added just for the flavor. And then immediately after that, I will be dropping in all the bhindi. Okay, so I'll be frying them in 2 batches. Okay, so I've kept this for dinner and this I'll be keeping it for lunch. Now I'll put the flame low and I'll close this with a lid. Okay, so I've fried it for around 5 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, sorry. I'll just flip the bhindi so that it doesn't burn from one side. And just for the additional tangy flavor, what I'll be doing is I've taken this half tomato, okay, and I'll just place them. Okay, and the flame is low. I'll close this with a lid and just let it cook. Now keep checking this, okay, or else it might burn. Okay, now let's just check. Okay, so I've just fried this for around 1 to 2 minutes on low flame with the lid open, and now I will turn off the flame because it's perfectly done. I'll just close this, okay, let it steam inside and we can serve it. Alright guys, that's it. It was that simple to make this recipe. Let me know how you like this recipe and how you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and share this recipe, share this video with your friends and family. Take care. My name is Stan.